Hi, I'm accident attorney Jeffrey Meldon. A lot of people call me right after an accident and they want to know, what should I do? Who should I talk to? Should I give a recorded statement to the adjusters? This can be complicated, and the reason is there may be 3 or 4 or 5 adjusters that are involved in the handling of your case that may be contacting you. The first adjuster would be the bodily injury liability adjuster for the other person's insurance company. You have to be careful because that adjuster's job is to get information that may help their insurance company minimize the value of your claim. It's important to realize that if you give them a recorded statement and you fail to mention an injury that you have, it may be used against you later on. For example, you're in a serious crash, somebody rear-ended you, your car's demolished, you broke your left arm, and that's what's really hurting you the most. But at that moment, when you're giving a recorded interview, you don't realize that your neck, your low back, your knee, your shoulder were also injured in the accident because the pain level is not as significant. So my advice, don't talk to the other person's bodily injury liability adjuster. Make sure you ask the adjuster that calls on the phone to identify themselves, name, contact information, email, what company they're working for, and what information they're trying to obtain. So be careful when you talk with the bodily injury liability adjuster. You may also be contacted by your own company with regard to uninsured motorist coverage. And again, you may have reason to want to give them enough information so they know what the basis for your claim is. But make sure that you don't limit what kind of statements you make with regard to injuries. Injuries sometimes take 2, 3, 4, 5 days, sometimes weeks or even months to manifest themselves and to become apparent to the person injured. So be very careful. If you have any questions, you can always give me a call at 1-800-373-8000 or go to our website, meldonlaw.com. Now, there's a couple other adjusters that may contact you. The property damage adjuster may call wanting to know about fixing your car or paying for your car if it's totaled. It can be the other person's property damage insurance adjuster calling, or it can be your own company if you have collision and comprehensive. It's important to report the accident to your own company right away, and you are entitled to not only repairs to the car, but any personal property that was inside your car at the time, such as a computer, clothing that may have been ripped or destroyed, any other items, your car stereo, any other items that may be affected by an accident should be compensated by the other person's insurance company under Florida law. The third adjuster that may call you is called the personal injury protection adjuster, who is working for your own insurance company, and they pay 80% of your medical bills up to $10,000 if you have a serious emergency medical condition, or $2,500 if you have a less significant injury. That adjuster, of course, will send you forms. You have to complete the forms and send them in. If you have questions, it's always good to contact an attorney to know how to fill out the forms, and you don't want to limit yourself as far as the extent of your injuries until you are sure that you know exactly what kind of injuries were suffered in the crash. My name is Jeffrey Meldon. You can contact me at 1-800-373-8000 or go to meldonlaw.com.